This is the Arrowhead brass PK1110 stem and bonnet assembly for the 221, 247, 248, 249, and 250 washing machine valves. Now, this stem and bonnet assembly is going to consist of a rubber seat washer here on the bottom, secured by a Phillips head screw. Then coming up from that, we've got this nylon washer located on the bottom of the bonnet nut at the top of the threads. Then coming up, we've got the bonnet nut and then the splines here. Now, total length of this item, let me grab my tape measure. Total length of the item, measuring from the head of that screw up to the end of the splines, going to be right at about 2 inches. An outer diameter here at the bottom with that seat washer, we're right at 1/2 inch. And once again, this is the Arrowhead brass PK1110 stem and bonnet assembly.